Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey, join us today. We're going to go look at the bunny train, which is part of the Heber Creeper up in Wasatch County, Utah. Let's have an adventure. This is Spencer with Learning English with Spencer, and today we're going on a family trip up to the Heber Creeper for a little bit of fun for Easter with the bunny train. If you would like, you have the ability to open up closed captioning down below, and there are quiz questions that you can find down in the introduction to help you with your comprehension and your retention. So first, we're headed up Parley's Canyon right here. When the early pioneers came to Utah, they would initially use Weber Canyon and then Immigration Canyon, but Parley's Canyon would later become a popular way for the pioneers to come down into Salt Lake City. Further along, the settlers are going to use Parley's Canyon as a way of storing water up in reservoirs for the summer months. That's one of the big ways in the West we maintain water is to have retention basins up in the mountains to catch the snow melt. Here we're looking at Park City, a little bit of tubing attraction where people can go and rent some tubes and go tubing. The snowfall wasn't too impressive this year, so there's not much snow there. Here's Park City. You can't really see it too well in the back there, but it's the Olympic Training Center. We had the 2002 Olympics there. Go have the 2034 Winter Olympics there as well. So here we are at the Heber Creeper station. There's some iconic looks of the Rio Grande sign and the Welcome Center. Here are some looks at some of the trains and some of the cars. We're doing the bunny train with the family, so you're going to see some bunnies and some bright colors for Easter. The Heber Creeper was originally a train track that would go from Provo up through Wasatch County to Heber, and now it's a small maintained set of tracks for entertainment and historic value. They even had a fiddler come in and play some music for us that was really talented. They had hosts in the train that kept us entertained from music to jokes to singing songs and dancing. The train went past some beautiful sights of Heber Valley and of the landscape and the natural beauty of the place. Trains in Utah and trains generally in the Midwest of the United States definitely had their time period of increasing notoriety and increasing transportation and access throughout the Midwest. But as the popularity of trains died down, so did a lot of the smaller systems that ran trains from city to city. Obviously, we still depend heavily on trains for transportation of raw goods and resources, but the heyday of trains in the 1800s and early 1900s isn't the same as it used to be. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for sticking with me and for spending some time with my family today. I just want to remind you that you're important, that you're valued, and you can do this. Thanks.